I can't decide what I want to be.
The Slurpee is so good.
Oh, so here we are. We are at
We're Sonics.
We're at the Sonic, the local Sonic, and what we like to call our drink of the day. our
top of the morning, isn't it?
our drink du jour, the soup du jour, which is the drink of the day, and I'm drinking Blueberry Blast. What are you having, Miss Sonia?
I'm a drinking.
I'm a drinking. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Spain. That's a good.
Where are you from?
The Netherlands? I can't decide what I want to do with my life. Let's wrap again.
Okay. Maybe we should stop this one and just laugh.